Hi, my name is Carmen Green, and here is my diorama of the levels of the ocean floor. It is made out of a shoebox, paint and paper, and building blocks. It shows the continental shelf, the continental slope, the abyssal plain, the seamount, my volcanic island, the mid-ocean ridge, and the deep ocean trench. And remember that the three main regions of the ocean floor are the continental margins, which are along the shore, the ocean basin floor, which is very deep, and the mid-ocean ridge, which are basically underwater mountains. We are going to begin with the active side of my diorama. On the active side, which is where you see the oceanic trench, there is no continental rise, only the continental shelf and the continental slope. The slope instead goes into a deep oceanic trench because of a tectonic plate interaction, and let me explain that. On the active side of my diagram, there is a convergent relationship between an oceanic and a continental crust. They collide together, and the oceanic crust sinks underneath the continental crust, causing and creating the oceanic trench. Now, on the passive side of my diorama, you have your continental shelf, your continental slope, and the continental rise. But the passive continental margins are usually inactive, meaning that they're not super close to plate boundaries. And this is where you get your mid-ocean ridge. Now, the mid-ocean ridge is caused when two plates are diverging, which means they're moving apart. Hot magma rises and it cools when it reaches the ocean floor. It quickly hardens and turns into rock. And because of this rock, we have the mid-ocean ridges, which are basically underwater mountain ranges.